Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. How are you today? It is Tuesday, August 8th, 2017. So this is what's going on here, and we need to pay attention to this. There's cash to be made. There's opportunities all over the place, people. And quite frankly, that's what this is all about, because I refuse to let any one of you, not even one, lay down here and be fleeced. Well, I would have to say this. For the most part, you guys and girls out here are smart enough to know what's actually going on. And I'm kind of just out here kind of sketching things out a little bit as well. Let's start off with this. As I am doing this video blog, it seems almost unbelievable, but the Dow Jones Industrial Average is on track for yet another record high. If the Dow Jones Industrial Average does close higher, this would be 10 records in a row. Shouldn't really be a surprise to you if you follow this blog. I told all of you this was coming. Now, with that said, there's a couple of other things that are going on. In a video that I had done yesterday, I explained how this record run with regard to the Dow wasn't playing out so much for both the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. I said we needed to look for a turnaround to capitalize on the tech sector. Okay, well, that does seem to be playing out just as I am doing this right now. So I did take up a new position today on the Qs. Check my website, traderschoice.net. There's always a link in the description of this video. If you're watching this on YouTube, it'll take you right to my website, and you can see my most recent and newest stock picks. I also said in a video that I had done yesterday, I was expecting the dollar to get a little stronger here, and that's exactly what is happening. It's putting a little pressure on gold. Not much, but gold is down a little bit. Silver is higher. You have to understand something with regard to silver. It is volatile. You can get really wild swings up and down. The dollar here getting a little stronger, like I've been saying, is very likely can put some pressure on metals here, and use this to your advantage. This is where opportunity lies. You know, if they're going to play games with this stuff, you know who I'm talking about. Good. Let them do it. We will take advantage of it. If the dollar's going to get stronger here, if it's going to put pressure on metals, good. Start acquiring more of the hard asset. Period. You know that. I love it when they play with the paper derivatives. I absolutely love it. There's opportunity here for you traders out here, no doubt about it. I could be wrong on this, but keep in mind that it just seems, and if you have a copy of my new RIP system, which a lot of you have right now, and I want to thank you for downloading it, which you can download from our website. If you don't have it, traderschoice.net, just punch up your copy of the RIP system and put in the Qs, Q, and tell me what you see. I think this is going to play out, or has the potential to play out, to be very profitable for you, for me. And if you're not a trader, that's okay too. You know what you need to do. Hoard metals, period. I can't stress this enough. The US dollar, despite the bounce that it looks like we're getting here, has nowhere to go but lower. And despite the fact, it's kind of funny, really. And even just this morning I got this in my email box. It's absurd. All these people for months and months have been writing to me, telling me how wrong I am about the dollar. Meanwhile, the dollar is going lower, until I am really wrong about the dollar. Please stop writing to me, people. I have to tell you, because it just makes you look bad. I'm not even answering these emails anymore, so you can send me emails about how I'm wrong about the dollar. I'm not even writing back to it, because it's frankly just too stupid. This bounce that we were seeing here in the dollar, which I told all of you would likely come, this doesn't mean anything to me. I believe sincerely that we are going to get a bounce. It could continue a little further, but it's going right back down lower. This is my opinion. Could I be wrong? Absolutely. And when I am actually wrong, then send me all the emails and telling me how wrong I am. Until that point, stop with freaking emails. I can't even keep up with them anymore. All right. What else is going on here? The bond market. Bond market still, is the fly in the ointment out here that people like Alan Greenspan are talking about being in a bubble right now. It's not just Greg Mannarino. So we need to keep our eye on the bond market. It's not doing anything much right now, but that yield curve continues to flatten out, which is a bad sign looking forward, despite the fact that this market is in some kind of a melt-up mode. This is the herd mentality. This is people rushing into positions here, and that's fine, because I can promise you that we're going to take advantage of it. They want to do this, good. Let them do that too. And we're just going to follow this higher if you're trading. And just be ready for anything. Look, I don't have to say this. If you're a trader, you already know this. This market can and will turn on a dime. So just be ready for anything. Watch your positions. Hedge them, okay? You should know what that means if you're a trader here. This is a complicated business, and you gotta be on top of it all the time, not just part of the time, okay? All right, with that said, I think I covered a lot of important things here. Let's see, the dollar stronger, metals down, although silver's up a little bit, gold is down, bond market not doing much. Tech rotation, pay attention to this. I think tech is going to rebound here. There's a lot of cash to be made here. I'm already in a position to take advantage of it. Again, go to my website, traderschoice.net. You can see what I'm doing if you want to follow along. But always do your own research, and at least to download my free brief, which tells you how to play these things. It's free. I'm not kidding. I'm not asking for anything. I just want you to have it. If you decide to dabble here into the realm of traders, you better know what you're doing. I don't even know what else to say about that. All right, with that said, I will see you tomorrow. Over now.